A special investigation team was constituted in 2022 to investigate the cases of illegal land grabbing in the state of Goa. Since then, SIT has exposed involvement of many government officials, politicians and other history seekers in the cases of land grabbing. But now a new law has been exposed by SIT land grab. SIT land grab has arrested one accused, namely Vithu Nagvekar, a resident of Salvador do Mundo, for allegedly forging the signature of his late father. This case was originally registered by Mapusa police station in Bayback 2020, but later this case was transferred to SIT land grab, and finally after 5 years of registration of FIR, the SIT has arrested the main accused Vithu Nagvekar, who allegedly forged the signature of his late father Madhukar Vithurai on an application dated 17/11/2017 and fraudulently secured NOC and approval for mutation on his name and other co-accused in crimes with the officials of Serula Communidade, including then attorney Agnelo Lobo. All the accused have allegedly forged the documents and have mutated land survey number 221/1, 222/1 and 233/1 of Serula Communidade at measuring around 70,000 square meter. But now with arrest of this main accused, it seems that this case will get the logical conclusion. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.